Another day, another iced coffee. Also, let me know if you guys notice better quality in this video, as this is my first time shooting with the Canon G7X. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel and this week's video. Can you believe, first and foremost, that it is June? We are entering week 11 of quarantine. Like, I cannot believe it. It completely blows my mind. The fact that we're still here, drinking Ryes in our house and staying inside. For those people who have tried Ryes, I know that there are a few of you because I see you using my link to get your discount. How do you guys like it? Do you like having nitro delivered to your house? Like, dislike, favorite flavors? Let me know down below in the comments because I'm nosy like that. Starting off the month of June, I have to get my grades done for brick and mortar, so that's going to be super fun. I'm also submitting for 2 different voiceover auditions. It's kind of like a bid. You read the script, send in your best take, and it's sort of like an audition and a bid in one. If you guys want to see like a full day in my life when I do full days of just voiceover auditions, let me know and give this video a thumbs up so I know that's something that you guys want to see. So far today, I have finished my Canva and Google Slides presentation for my very first OutSchool class. I am so excited. I'll give you guys a sneak peek. It is a class on how to prepare and be memorable during your musical theater audition. I have a full slide of presentation ready for it, as well as time for question and answer, time to get to know the kids, and just really hope it goes well. It's my first ever OutSchool class, and every time I get an email that a new learner has enrolled, I get so excited. Now, before I jump into the topic of today's video, and I know you know what it is because you read the title, and yes, we're gonna go there, I do want to give a very quick shout out to the teachers who have spoken out and spoken up about all these changes happening here with VIPKID. You've seen my video on it, you know my stance, but in my experience, a lot of times teachers just roll with the punches and take what they get, and I'm really, really impressed with what I've seen from you guys, and I wanted to acknowledge the teachers for what I saw. Now, with that being said, I did crunch the numbers of my previous pay with the original pay scale and the new tier system. And on top of that, I've received a lot of messages from you guys asking how this tier system works, so I figured, why not share my screen, show you guys how it's going to affect me going through and looking at that chart and the tiers, and hopefully that'll help give you an example on how to do the math for yourself in your own situation. Now, like it's been said before, some people are going to benefit from this. As a certain month goes on and you get more and more classes, your tier goes higher and your incentives go up. But on the other side of that, if you are not teaching hundreds of classes a month, you are definitely taking a pay cut. I want to break it down with you guys, share my screen, and show you exactly how my pay will be affected from the original base pay plus incentives to the new 2020 tier system. Really quickly, if you guys have not already done so, please do me the biggest favor and subscribe to this channel and our community by clicking that little red subscription button and the bell down below to be updated for each and every future video. I am looking to grow our community this year, and your support here on this channel would be so appreciated. But without any further ado, let's jump into the pay scale breakdown. Okay, you guys, what you are seeing here is my VIPKID original pay scale. Now, my base pay, which will not change throughout this entire example, is $8.50 per class. Now, I try to teach 50 classes each and every month, and in doing so, I receive an incentive bonus of $2 per class. If you're new to this, a quick breakdown is every class that I teach, I receive a $1 participation bonus, and then once I hit 45 classes, I receive an additional $1 bonus per class. So to make it short and simple, my incentive bonuses are $2. So my base pay plus incentive bonuses get me a total of $10.50 per class, for a total of $21 per hour. I did put down here that add $4 an hour if I do short notice, but I'm not going to do that here in this example because I just want it to be short and sweet. $10.50 per hour. Remember that, and then also please remember base pay is $8.50 because when we get to the new tiers, this will go away and the base pay of $8.50 will remain. I put our original math over here on the left-hand side, and like I said before, my monthly goal is 50 classes. 50 classes times $10.50 gets me $525 per month. That does not include any kind of referrals or additional bonuses VIPKID may be giving out in a particular month. $525 is what I make right now with my 50 classes per month goal on the original pay scale. Now, I've moved that over here to the left and now put on this lovely new tier system. Looking at this, I will admit I was very confused when I first saw it. The very first thing you need to look at if you are someone who's jumping into this system is this column right here, the tier system. You need to know which tier you are in. And if you are not sure, pick up your phone right now, turn it on, log in, go to the VIPKID app. Once you're in, click on account on the bottom right-hand side. And underneath your picture, you're going to see a box that says Insights. Click that box. Third item down should tell you the number of classes taught. And for me right now, I have taught 1,375 classes, which puts me here in tier number 5. So you see I have a star right here, so we can have quick reference as to what tier I'm in when we do this quick math. So tier 5, and then you see all these numbers on this row. These numbers match with the number of classes that you teach. So the first 20 classes, you'll receive 80 cents. And once you go past 20, 21 through 40, you get $1.20. Do not get confused and think that once you hit this column, all 40 classes receive $1.20. No. These first 20 get this incentive, these next 20 get this incentive, and so on and so forth. So for me to even get near or exceed $2 like I got in my original base pay, I have to have already taught 90 classes, and then my 91st class will bump me up into the $2.20. But I will never hit here right now because I stopped teaching over here in this column because I teach 50 classes a month. So let's break down this math and show you exactly what kind of pay cut I will take when I jump into the new tier system. I've now moved my original monthly goal and old pay over here with the incentives chart. We're going to start tier 5, what 50 classes looks like. We'll start with classes 1 through 20, where I again receive an 80-cent incentive. This again replaces the $2 bonuses that you get in the original pay for a total of $16 for the first 20 classes. So plugging that in, my old base pay remains $8.50 times 20 classes earns me earns me $170 plus the $16 from the 80-cent incentive. So for my first 20 classes, I receive $186. We can do a quick comparison down here. My first 20 classes on the old system would have earned me $210, and the new system now earns me $186. Jumping ahead to the next column, which is the 21 to 40 classes, I now jump from 80 cents to $1.20. Still not at the $2 incentive, but let's see where we get. Doing these next 20 classes, receiving a $1.20 incentive, I receive $24 in incentives. Plugging that in again, $8.50 base pay times 20 classes, I have $170 plus the $24 in incentive pay. I earn $194 for the next set of 20 classes. And for the final set of 10 classes, we're going to move over here to this column where my incentives jump up from $120 to $160 per class. This column will only count for 10 classes because I'm doing classes 41 through 50, and again, they are my final 10 classes. 10 classes times $1.60 incentive earns me $16 of incentives for these 10, and again, plugging it in, these final 10 classes times the $8.50 base pay earn me $85 plus the $16 in incentives. My last 10 classes earn me $101. So on the new tier system, teaching 50 classes as a tier 5 teacher will earn me, these are classes 1 through 40, these are classes 41 through 50, for a total of $481. Let's do a quick comparison. On VIPKID's new tier system, my monthly goal of 50 classes now earns me $481 a month, whereas the old system earns me $525. So this brings my monthly income loss to $44 and my yearly income loss to $528. I want to make this chart big for you guys, so if you want, you can screenshot this, I can send it to you, let me know, and you can figure out what tier you're in and how this will affect you and your base pay. And there you have it, you guys. That is my breakdown. That is how I will be losing over $500 per year once I jump into this new tier system. Let me know down below, are you someone taking a pay cut? Are you someone that does this full time and you're actually making more money? I know some people are making more and they're so excited about it, so I don't want to sit here and be angry and hold a grudge against anybody. I just wanted to break down these numbers. And if you really want that chart, follow me on Instagram, send me a DM, I will send you that chart. If you have any questions about it, let me know. I can help break it down for you further if you need further explanation, but there you guys have it, and that is it. For the month of June, looking ahead on my calendar, I have videos coming out each and every Wednesday. So if you have not done so, click that bell down by the subscription button, or just know every Wednesday a new video will be coming out. Every once in a while, I do have some vlogs on Friday, but Wednesday will be our primary upload day. And on that note, I want to know what you guys want to see. Do you want more VIPKID videos? Do you want more Outschool? Would you like me to actually make that day in the life of a voiceover actor auditioning? I do have some travel vlogs coming up, some more side hustle and budgeting videos coming up, ways I'm preparing for a pay cut, and that pay cut is still coming from my salaried brick and mortar job, as well as now coming from this VIPKID tier system. So a lot more coming, you guys. Once again, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up so we can continue to please the ever-present algorithm gods on YouTube. Make sure you are subscribed. Let me know your thoughts and summer plans down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.